Okay, so now we have our tool all wound out. We can go establish two spots on here where we can get our arms. So on this one, our 12 o'clock position and our 6 o'clock position, we can go ahead and slide our arms into it. With the length of this impeller versus the length of these arms are longer, so we're going to slide all the way to the back as far as we can go. Next, we'll go ahead and take the knurled portion of this axial bolt, which tightens down the arms onto the impeller. Go ahead and thread that down. Just hand tight. Next, we'll go ahead and take our threaded rod. We'll go ahead and wind it in. This tool works really well because it's one movement here to move both arms, and the pins are the same distance from the center line of where we're pulling, is that you don't have to use two rods that tighten down each one of the arms. And the nice thing about that is it self-centers to be very close to where the tip of this rod is compared to where it goes to the shaft. So you might have to wiggle it around a little bit, but it does a very good job of centering itself up. So now we have it tight. We'll go ahead and take our 9/16. And since we have the room, a 9/16 is nice because you can just, with one finger, just go ahead and wind it in. And it very easily, with not a lot of force, starts to pull the impeller out. So we'll go ahead and finish winding it out. And at this point, we can just wind it out by hand. Simply extracts it.